Have you ever wondered how plants make their own food? Well, this amazing process is called photosynthesis. It's a fascinating and essential life process that happens in green plants, certain algae, and even some bacteria. With a little help from the sun, these organisms have mastered the art of converting light energy into chemical energy. This energy is then stored as organic compounds, providing sustenance for the plant life. But that's not all. During this process, a byproduct is created that is absolutely vital for us and every other breathing creature on this planet: oxygen. Yes, the very air we breathe is a generous gift from our green friends, courtesy of photosynthesis. To put it simply, think of photosynthesis as the kitchen of a plant. Here, it whips up its own food, using a recipe that calls for 3 simple ingredients: sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. So, we can say that photosynthesis is like the kitchen of a plant, where it cooks its own food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. So, how exactly does this cooking process, better known as photosynthesis, work in plants? Let's break it down into simpler terms. At its core, photosynthesis is a beautiful exchange between plants and their environment, a process where plants take in carbon dioxide from the air, water from the ground, and light energy from the sun. These ingredients are then whipped up in nature's kitchen to create glucose and oxygen. Think of it as a recipe. The first ingredient is carbon dioxide, which plants breathe in from the air around them. This carbon dioxide is like the flour in our recipe, a fundamental building block. Next up, we have water, sourced from the ground through the plant's roots. It's the equivalent of the eggs in our recipe, binding everything together. The third and most crucial ingredient is sunlight. It's like the heat in our oven, the driving force that turns our basic ingredients into something more. Now let's head into the plant's kitchen, better known as the chloroplasts. These are where all the ingredients are mixed together. Inside the chloroplasts, sunlight energy splits the water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. The carbon dioxide then reacts with the freed hydrogen to create glucose, a type of sugar that plants use as food. This food is stored within the plant, ready to be used for growth and repair. And what about the leftover oxygen? Well, that's released back into the air. So, what we have here is a remarkable process, a cycle that benefits both plants and the environment. The plants get their food, and we get our oxygen. In a nutshell, plants use photosynthesis to turn sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into their food and oxygen, which we all need to breathe. Now that we understand how photosynthesis works, why should we care about it? One may wonder. Well, it's simple. Photosynthesis is not just a neat trick that plants perform, it's a fundamental process that sustains life on Earth. Photosynthesis serves as the primary producer in our planet's food chain, converting sunlight into chemical energy. This energy is stored in the form of glucose, a type of sugar, which plants use to grow. But the story doesn't end there. When animals, including us humans, consume these plants, that energy is passed on, fueling all the diverse life forms on Earth. But the miracles of photosynthesis don't stop at food. The process also generates a byproduct that's crucial for most living organisms: oxygen. Every breath we take is a testament to the tireless work of photosynthesis happening in every green leaf around us. And there's more. The energy produced by photosynthesis millions of years ago has resulted in the formation of fossil fuels. These buried treasures of ancient sunlight power our cars, heat our homes, and run our industries, shaping the world as we know it today. As our human population continues to grow, so does the demand for food. This increasing need has led to efforts to enhance photosynthesis efficiency, aiming to increase crop yields and ensure food security. It's a testament to the importance of this process that our survival as a species may depend on our ability to optimize it. But as with all things in nature, there's a balance to be struck. The same process that gives us food and oxygen also plays a role in climate change. Photosynthesis absorbs carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, helping to regulate our planet's climate. That's why preserving our forests and green spaces is so crucial in the fight against global warming. So the next time you take a breath or enjoy a meal, remember to thank the process of photosynthesis, the silent cook that keeps life on Earth thriving.